There is an area of difference where there are no schools. Children have to study sometimes in open, sometimes in somebody's house, sometimes under the tree. And because of the differences and complications in the border, they never had schools. No building ever in the last 52 years. It is Charles who came to me. He said, "Sir, can we give some school building to them from your Chief Minister's Special Development Fund?" I said, "I have no problem. But we have to take the KAAC and the Assam government into confidence and go ahead with the schools." One phone call I had with Mr. Abhijit, one phone call with Mr. Tuliram, and you won't believe it. In a matter of 2 minutes, we all agreed that the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund money will be used. We will work together to ensure that those children who have been deprived of a school for so many decades will finally get a school now. And today, those schools are being constructed. Those schools are being constructed. And like that, many areas where 5 years back, 10 years back, nobody could imagine that the governments would work together, would try to resolve the problem, would give the development that the people deserve. Today is being made possible. Yes, challenges are there. Yes, challenges will be there.